Hello, welcome to use Bitmoji AI Intelligent Skin Tester. Here showing two versions. This version is max. The size is 13.3 inch. This one is plus. The size is 21.5 inch. Now let us start the trip of skin exploration. First, plug in the device. Press the power button. Second, select Wi-Fi. Slide down from the top of screen. Touch 13 button to 13 interface. Turn on Wi-Fi open button to select the right network. After connecting the network successfully, slide up from the bottom of the screen. Touch the circle button to go back to system desktop. Third, click Bitmoji AI Skin Tester to log on and register page. New users touch register to fill the corresponding information for registering. After registering, then log on. First, log on with registered name and password. You can choose to remember account to log on. Fifth, after logging on successfully, enter the main page of skin measurement system. This page included intelligent skin measurement, customer information, and setting function. Before clicking intelligent skin measurement, the new customer needs to be filled in the basic information: member name, gender, age, mobile number. For the first skin measurement, the basic information should be true. The items for this sample are required. The recommend can fill in the beauty teacher who serves the customer, and click Save after filling in to enter the photography link. When the instrument light is on, you can take photos. Before taking photos, your face should be kept clean. Place your chin on the soft tree and not exceed the stay position. Your forehead should rest on the soft support glue of your forehead to align your mouth and nose with the midline of your nose. Close your eyes and don't open your eyes during taking photos. Click the AI skin detector to start taking photos. Take photos with 8 kinds of spectra and keep face still about 8 to 10 seconds. There will be a beep sound for finishing after taking photos. After the photos are uploaded successfully, the taken photos will be automatically uploaded to the server. AI face recognition technology and deep learning technology are used to analyze the indicators of the surface and deep layers of our skin. Then enter the image acquisition, skin moisture content, surface detection, deep detection, 3D simulation, skin prediction, and general report functions. Skin moisture content test. Inside equipped with a moisture test. After taking out moisture test, turn on the Bluetooth button on the right side. Open the cover of moisture test. Press the button at the bottom gently. Then the indicate green light will light up, and the collected will be displayed on the screen. At this time, type the moisture test on customer's screen for measurement. Then the indicator light of the moisture test will turn blue. Wait about 3 seconds. The skin moisture content data will be displayed. Touch Submit to see the test data report. Project recommendation. Each test analysis report included analysis of the cause of the problem, daily skin care precautions. For intelligent recommendation, we need to enter the corresponding product or project of our store into the background website. zn.yiyan.ai product and lesson items can be entered according to the test classification of each project.